Important updates over the weekend, and now it's Monday, so we're gonna go and jump straight onto it. And the first one is new NFTs from Zora itself. So we are gonna go and mint these NFTs. The links are down below. They only cost $2, $2.50, only gas fees, just like everyone that we watch on this video. We got this one, we then have this one, which is, in my opinion, super important, based Zora. So it could potentially be an NFT collaboration between Zora and Base for both of them, potential airdrop. So make sure to go and collect this one over here, 0.006. This is even under $2, so you can go and claim it on whichever network, Base, Arbitrum, for example. We can go and utilize it on Arbitrum. We can click on buy now, and we simply go and accept, confirm, and we buy this base Zora. So definitely go and collect up this one as well as the one that we saw before. We then have a new one. Here we go, collected the base Zora. So make sure to do the same, link down below. We got the Uniswap Zora, which is very, very important as well, in my opinion. Uniswap X Zora from the official Zora.eth protocol. So definitely go and grab this one as well, which I've already did. We then have this one, which I thought it was a nice, cool, independent artist, which could be one of the details for the airdrop to also go and support X amount, 20 artists, 30 artists, 50 artists, different artists. Could potentially be part of it, so I will leave you this one down below. And once again, it is 0.0007 ETH, which is $2. So make sure to go and mint all of the one that you will find here down below. I also left this one as a second artist to go and mint, as we can see over here, mint on the network of your choice. We go back to the Arbitrum one, you can pick anyone, and we simply go and mint it all together, as well as the next one. And also we got this one over here, the Arbitrum Zora. Zora now supports Arbitrum. It's another Arbitrum X Zora. So we got the Arbitrum X Zora, Base X Zora, Uniswap X Zora. So we got 3 different collaborations, which you will find down below, to go and mint, which are super important, in my opinion, that you go and do it. So I will leave a link down below. But moving on from the Zora airdrop, I want to let you know one thing on the Debridge airdrop, which we did farm it. And if we go over here to the normal, to the leaderboard, to the ranking system, we can see that it is massively underfarmed. So you are at the right time to go and get this airdrop. We can see that the points or the transactions, total transaction, are going down, meaning that less and less people are taking part of this airdrop. So it is going to be a very big airdrop. And as we see here, we go from 43,000 transactions all the way down to, we were yesterday, 25,000, and it keeps on going down slowly day by day. So you are in the right moment to go and farm it, and all you have to do is to simply bridge from one chain to the other, and that's it. Ethereum, USDC, whichever you want, go and do it. In my opinion, the best one is Arbitrum to Optimism, back and forth. Also because they did receive a 1 million token bonus granting from Arbitrum, which could potentially be rewarded to people that transition between Arbitrum, in and out of Arbitrum, could receive, as well as the airdrop, a reward for Arbitrum, or your gas fees could be paid back in Arbitrum. They still need to tell us everything, but it is very important. So make sure to go and farm it. The link is down below. Come and join my community. We're close to 100 people in my family, so make sure to join in. Next up, we got the Tabby airdrop over here. Tabby, summer is coming. We did talk about Tabby. It is not too late to go and farm it. The link is down below. All you have to do is this couple of missions over here. So simply join Discord, Telegram, etc. Make sure to do it. And here they say that the public sale is coming soon. The chain will be deployed very, very soon. So we will know exactly everything. There is an airdrop to claim soon, and the TGE, the token generation event. So it is not too late to go and farm this airdrop, and it is coming very, very soon. I heard people saying that it is over. It's not working anymore. Well, they just announced it, so make sure to go and do it, because Tabby airdrop is here, is coming very, very soon from the official Tabby chain protocol as well itself. So, you know, don't fade anything until it's actually done. For example, like the scroll airdrop, do not fade it, go and do it. But it looks very, very nice. So make sure that you are eligible for it. Make sure to do all the transaction within this website, do everything over here. Try to rank up as much as possible. Collect Phoenix feathers and open this one that you will receive. Next up, we got a new NFT also from the Linea side of things, without interacting with Zora. This is only on Linea, and it is one of these official NFT that they do release it Could it be potentially a multiplier for the airdrop? It could very well be. They didn't say anything regarding the NFT being something special, but they give us the opportunity to go and mint these NFTs. And as we see over here, we have the possibility to mint it for absolutely pennies, 0.00069, which is basically the gas fees, and you can collect it and you can mint it for approximately, well, no, this is a little bit, a little bit too much in my opinion, but no, this one, no, we go, and here, this one is the Ethereum one, is $2.24 to go and get this NFT. So make sure to go and do it if you want to do it. It is absolutely, in my opinion, important to do it, but it is up to you whether or not you wanna do it. Next up, we're gonna go and look at the MarginFi update over here. They say that there is a new liquidation and rewards program available on the website. Now, this is not the MarginFi airdrop. It's not their actual, token airdrop for people that lend and borrow. This is for people that got, for example, as we see here, liquidated. So there is a liquidation fund in terms of if you got money lost, if you did lend and borrow and the leverage was too much, you are getting a little bit, not all of it, a little bit of money back. If you just lend and borrow without getting liquidated, you are not getting this one, just so you know. But it is something nice to see from the MarginFi team itself, as we can see here, the official MarginFi protocol. So make sure to go and check it out. As we see over here from the comments, people have got some, people haven't got some. It depends all the situation that you are in terms of what you were able to give to the protocol and vice versa. So definitely really important. Next up, we got an update on a Cosmos airdrop, the DMX. Here it's a new point system airdrop, as we see here. It's a DMX exchange, and it is a point system just dropped for the airdrop that you need to spin the Wheel of Fortune to receive the point system. Now, to be able to spin the Wheel of Fortune, you need to have deposited $500 plus into any of the perpetual pools. So if you have the possibility to go and do it, make sure to go and do it. Make sure to check them out. I will leave them their official Twitter in the description below, so you go to the right place. Absolutely, yes. Other than that, it is very a new protocol, a new airdrop. So if you want to go, it's potentially the best time to go and join it as of now, as they are still very young. They only got 21,000 people on their Twitter. Next up, we got the Eigen layer update over here, which we got a little bit of an update. It seems like it's coming this week between now and Sunday. We will see about that, but there are speculation about it. It could potentially be a good airdrop. It could potentially be a bad airdrop, depending on the assumption that, first of all, the Eigen snapshot is taken on May 1st, so in 2 days. Is it too late to go and be part of it? Yes. So yeah, keep that in mind. But if you have participated in it, here is a timetable of the FDV and the airdrop percentage. If it reaches $50 billion in FDV, then it is, a lot of tokens. But we will see after that, and I will keep you all the updates possible. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Let me know down in the comments below your information, what you want to see next. And make sure to stick around for this afternoon's video, as I will take you more and more updates with it. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Ciao, guys.